Hello, welcome back to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to turn off sync contact in Microsoft Outlook on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course, you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And after next step, you just have to open your Outlook applications. Here, I'm going to tap on it. And then if you want to turn off the sync contact, here you just have to tap on the icon account here at the top left in the corner of your phone. Just tap on it. And now we'll see here the gear icon, which is the settings. Go ahead. And after in the settings page, you just have to scroll down again until you'll find here the option, which is contacts. Now tap on it. As you can see, for the sync contact option on my phone, it's turned blue, which is active here, guys. If you want to turn it off, you just have to tap on the toggle beside the sync contact like this, and now tap on the disable options. And yeah, as you can see, for the sync contacts on my Outlook apps is disabled. So I think it's enough a tutorial from me how to turn off sync contact in Microsoft Outlook on Android. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.